Welcome back, Dave Northwest. In today's Aesthetic Medicine with Dr. Darm, we're talking about reversing the effects of sun damage. And joining us with the latest treatment for sun damage is Dr. Jerry Darm of Aesthetic Medicine and one of his patients, Libby Mahidi-Burkle. Nice to have you both here. Dr. Darm, let's talk about sun damage first. I think a lot of people, they think of sun damage as, just the effects of maybe a burn, but the skin heals. But that's not true. Just everyday exposure can damage the skin, right?
Even in Oregon. And skin has a memory, and so even though you're doing everything right today, if you had overexposure as a child or as a teenager, or if you baked with the, baby oil and the overexposure and the little doggy tins, that
right.
Some people used to use.
Sure. And it's not, so what you're saying is things you did in your youth don't have immediate appearance, but as you get older you start to see, like Absolutely. I have little sunspots.
Absolutely.
And that's what you talk about removing. Libby, is that what you did? You had...
I did. It must be about 9 or 10 years ago now. I had extensive sun damage on my face. And I went through treatments with Jerry, and it is amazing how it all cleared up.
Is it just the sun spots, or are there other kind of conditions that you can treat?
Well, there are pre-malignant types of lesions, which, of course, you should see your dermatologist first, but there are little red spots known as AKs, which we can treat very easily with both the light therapy and a little bit of liquid nitrogen.
And the light therapy, is that painful at all?
No. It wasn't for me.
No real pain.
And
or
how
downtime.
quickly do you see the effects of any of these treatments?
Well, the lesions turn dark initially, and then they'll lighten up after that, and some of them actually just sort of flake off in the shower.
That's
later
what mine
on.
did.
Is it light therapy for all of the damage, or are there different kind of...
Well, you treat the entire face, it's just everywhere, and this is what it looks like in practice. And this device is, the most advanced device on the market. It's got the radio frequency as well as the intense pulse light. And this is me applying a little bit of liquid nitrogen, very, very gingerly, by the way, so as not to create a scar.
And is that to burn away?
The ones that are more difficult, that the light can't get. The light can't get everything, and so you've got to do kind of a dual therapy, basically.
And you mentioned the skin has a memory. Do these damaged spots come back, or are they permanently removed then?
Well, they may not come back, but others can with
Right.
time. So, Libby has been coming in on sort of a yearly basis since we achieved her results.
Yeah, and so you did the entire face, Libby? Because I don't see any sun damage at all. You look great.
No. Thank you, Jerry. No. The initial part was mostly on the sides of the face and a little on the temples area. And after the first treatment, the very first treatment, within the 10 days that it takes for the process to complete itself, every one of those age spots or sun damaged spots just flaked right off. And one morning I got up after my shower and I had beautiful skin again. It was, I had never experienced anything like that before in my life. And since then, Jerry has treated the backs of my hands, my arms.
And this is a good treatment too for rosacea and other kind of skin conditions.
Yeah, works in terms of rosacea and so on. And so, tanning beds can also cause, the sun damage. So we don't recommend those. Yeah.
Very good. You can find out more by calling Aesthetic Medicine for free consultation. The number is 503-697-9777, and Aesthetic Medicine is located on Southwest Shady Lane in Tigard, and we've got more information on our website at kat.com. Thanks for coming in, guys. Good to see you. You look great.